Hey, what's up, truck lovers and home mechanics? Today, we'll be changing out the locks on this bad boy. Since I picked it up, it's kind of like when you get a new house, when you rent a new house, when you buy a new house, change the door locks. Same thing with this. Now, I have the additional motivator that my keys really don't work. So I am going to show you how to change from this into this. Oh, so much better. Let's go take some stuff apart.
Before we start taking stuff apart, I do want to hit you guys with some housekeeping items. I got a lot of stuff coming up. I'm starting to produce a bunch more videos that I'm hopefully going to be releasing in addition to these ones. How-tos, 5-minute fixes, things of that nature. So look for that. That's going to be coming up too. I've also got the Blazer about to go into surgery. I just need to summon up some courage, back that thing into the driveway and start cutting out that frame. The new frame that's ready to go under is all ready. It's all good. It's all ready to go. The burb is coming together great. I hope you guys are digging this video series. I always thought it was going to be fun to have like a more stock basic version to show you guys some of the things that I think can be easily fixed on this to improve it and make it better and better and better. I've also got some new swag that I want to show you guys. I've got the Merricks Garage hats. They are now available. I've got truckers, I've got flat bills, I've got black, I've got gray, I've got camo, I've got all kinds of things. I've also got the new Merricks Garage shirts. These came out super good. Really excited about how those came out. I haven't even tried one on yet, but we've got medium, large, XL, double XL. Click the link down below. Go to merricksgarage.com. Let's go take stuff apart now.
The door card is pretty simple to remove, although as it is old, much like everything else on this truck, take care. You're gonna have a screw here, 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 here. You're gonna have one under here and here, two here, two down in there. That's pretty much all you need to remove. And then you need to pop it up off its catch on the sill, replace the door lock, clean everything up, and put it back together. Pretty simple. One of the trickiest things is getting these guys off without doing any damage. There's a catch under here that you need to slowly and carefully leverage up, because otherwise you will break off all these tabs. And these are also new to me, or maybe I lost them years ago. They go over and give a good fixation. This really holds the door card on, so be sure not to lose any of this hardware. I find this next part's easiest to do with the window down. If you're gonna do both doors, I would suggest starting with the passenger door like I did, just to kind of figure out where everything goes and how to put it back without damaging anything. What you're gonna find on the back of these guys is some electrical connectors that is gonna behoove you to basically remove the back of the electrical connector so you can pop the switch out, remove the whole door card, so you can really see what you're working on. I'm gonna have 3 to contend with: the lock, the windows, and the mirrors. And you gotta be a little bit careful when you're removing these guys. There's clips down in here that you're gonna have to pop out. Oh, and I get a quick disconnect. Card is free. You're gonna want to put the window down to get access to the lock cylinder. So reinstall your window switch. There's my lock cylinder right there. Let me show you guys. Here is the lock cylinder I'm going to be replacing it with. I think this is a new one. But you can see that there's a clip, you'll see down in there, holding this guy on, and it goes right around here. But you see that clip down on there? The best way to get it out is just a pair of lineman pliers. Here's our old door lock out. Just need to swap this guy over and then reinstall. Now that you got the door card off, it's a good time to hit as much as you can with the WD-40, put some grease in the power window track, spray this in all the hinges and all of the actuators and all of the moving parts that you can see. One of the most challenging parts about doing this is simply just putting this retaining clip back on or onto the back of the new tumbler. Now this is what keeps the tumbler in your door, so it's critical that you get this piece in right. Take your time. Don't drop it. What I found to be the trick with this is, you see these little lips? The best way to put it in, like say this is your key fob, is to go in like that and slide. Unlike where before you're pulling it out, you gotta get this thing hooked under and then push it in. And then I usually use some pliers to try and seat it. You do want to be careful because this is your door skin, so if you're scraping along the inside of the door, you may be showing marks on the outside of your door, so just be careful.
And there's another project checked off the list on the Bourbon build. I'm gonna have obviously some bigger projects coming up, and I've got the big project coming up with the Blazer, but it's fun to do these small ones right now and just kind of bang them out, and I hope you guys are digging the video series too. Like I said, there's gonna be a lot more coming, and I got to try on one of my shirts. What do you guys think? Let me know, hit me in the comments down below, and we'll see you next week.